You know that feeling, right? You get a full night's sleep, you're drinking water, but you're still just dragging. Or you get a sudden muscle cramp out of nowhere.
We always blame stress, don't we? Or just getting older.
Exactly. But the guide we're looking at today suggests the answer might be a lot simpler, hiding in your blood.
It's the hardware, not the software. Today we're doing a deep dive into a guide from Blood Test UK, and specifically about mineral blood tests in Bilston.
And yeah, while it mentions Bilston, this is really a masterclass for everyone on these invisible building blocks of our health. We're talking about things like iron, zinc,
Calcium, magnesium, all the crucial stuff.
right?
And the whole idea from Blood Test UK is that these aren't just, optional extras. They're the actual fuel. If you're low, your body is basically stuck in low power mode.
So let's talk about the benefits of knowing these numbers. Everyone's heard of iron, but the guide really drills down into why it matters. It's all about oxygen, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Think of iron as the taxi for oxygen in your blood. If you don't have enough taxis, you can't get oxygen where it needs to go. That's anemia.
And that's where the fatigue comes from.
Exactly. That heavy, can't get off the sofa feeling, it's your body literally running out of breath on a cellular level.
And then there's calcium, which, we all heard drink your milk for strong bones as kids. That's for things like osteoporosis. But the bit on magnesium really caught my eye. It feels like the one people just forget about.
Oh, absolutely. It's the unsung hero. It's what helps your muscles relax after they contract and helps make energy.
Yeah.
So those random cramps, that general weakness, that's often a magnesium signal.
It's just amazing that we can measure this so easily now. And this is a key point from Blood Test UK. For people in Bilston and the West Midlands, this isn't some far-off specialist thing.
No, it's right on their doorstep. That's the big shift.
Yeah.
You don't need to go to a massive city hospital.
Yeah.
The guide points out that in Bilston, you've got local GP practices, NHS services, private clinics.
The whole infrastructure is already there.
It's all there. It's about making your own health data accessible to you.
So what's the actual process like? Is it a big ordeal?
Not at all. Blood Test UK breaks it down, and it's really simple. Step one is just a bit of preparation. Sometimes you might be asked not to eat beforehand to get a clean reading.
Okay.
Step two, a phlebotomist, a professional, takes a tiny blood sample, sterile needle, all very quick and routine. But step three is where the magic happens.
The science bit, the mass spectrometry.
That's it. The lab uses these incredible machines. Think of them as a set of super sensitive scales that can weigh and count individual atoms.
So it's not an estimate, it's an actual audit of what's in your blood.
A proper audit. But Blood Test UK does add a really important warning here.
Which is talk to your doctor first.
100%. It's so tempting to self-diagnose from a number on a page, but you need a professional to interpret it. Is your iron low because of your diet? Or is your body not absorbing it properly? A GP in Bilston can help you figure that out.
Right. And speaking of that, let's say the results are back and you are low on something. The guide is pretty clear. You shouldn't just run to the pharmacy.
No, you run to the supermarket first. Food first is the golden rule. The body is just better at absorbing these minerals from food.
So for magnesium, you're looking at things like leafy greens, nuts.
Leafy greens, nuts, seeds. For iron, red meat is a classic source because it's so easy for the body to use.
And what about the supplements, the pills?
They're the backup plan. And you should only really take them if your doctor says so. It's actually possible to have too much of a good thing.
It's a real safety-first approach. They even mention the test itself as, well, it's incredibly low risk.
Oh, completely.
Yeah.
You might get a tiny bruise where the needle went in, but that's it. And it's such a small price for, getting actionable data about your own body.
And that really seems to be the mission here for Blood Test UK, doesn't it? To shift healthcare from being reactive.
From fixing things when they break.
Yeah, to just doing proactive, regular maintenance, like you would for your car.
Exactly. Guess why you're tired when you can just look at the dashboard? Knowing your mineral levels is the shortcut. It takes the mystery out of feeling just okay.
It leaves you with a thought then. We spend so much time and energy trying to optimize our lives. But if you're operating with a hidden mineral deficiency, could that one missing piece be the only thing stopping you from feeling genuinely great?
That is the question.
Thanks for this deep dive. We'll catch you on the next one.